Hello everybody! It's a fine evening and we're gonna ride some enduro. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful evening. Today's gonna be a shorter video because we're going to the same track. It's just gonna be some practice riding at the local track. Come along and see what happens. Let's get going! Okay, Enduro trail, full speed. This part is pretty okay, like this forest line. Just stay in the track. This is where I peel off for the short track. No one's coming. Man, he disappeared. I'm going snail speed. I don't have a chance. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah, my butt. Oh fuck, that was a major bail. I hope the bike's okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna pause my lap. Oh, cause that fucking hurt my butt. Okay, so that's one nice bail for YouTube. One nice bail. My butt. Okay, jumping is harder than you think. But the bike, I think it's okay. Okay, we'll see if it still runs. A bit rocky uphill. This one is quite gnarly actually. It's bumpy as hell. Just try to keep the momentum forward and it's decent. Then when you get up here, it's a super tight corner and then we into the gnarly rocky path. Some rocks are pretty big, so this is kind of hard. This burns your cardio quite bad. Ah, fuck. That was the same thing as last time I was here. The turn is kind of gnarly, so I don't get any speed to come up the hill. I forgot to resume the clock. Oh. Okay, I gotta take another little rest. A lot of these ones, your legs get tired. A lot of these ones, your arms get tired. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this time I'm gonna make that fucking last hill. I think I have a path. I want to keep to the left and then cut over Then I don't have to go up that big rock I always fall off from. Okay, last hill. Oh shit. I'm gonna try to cut that way. Yeah, boy! Oh, my clutch finger is getting tired. I'm almost done. Okay. Oh shit, that was hard. Decent run. Flew off the bike as shit in the jump. That was crazy, man. The bike held up, but I mean, from flying and falling off the bike, you get pretty tired. So after that, I was already tired, and I had to stop and rest for a little bit so I don't fall too much. I don't know if I can go out for a second lap. I'm so tired already. Maybe I'll just go around, try to do some wheelies or something. Give a like and follow.